Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all must be doing well. So, children, let's begin our class for today. So, we were at the D part of the back exercise, okay? Earlier, we have already done the fill-ups. We have done state true or false and application-based questions, okay? Now, we will come to the multiple choice questions, okay? So, let's begin with the first question. The instructions stored in dash cannot be changed but can only be read. So you have to answer this, children. Which instructions are stored in dash and cannot be changed but can only be read? Okay, so आपको बताना है कहाँ पे स्टोर होते हैं इंस्ट्रक्शन so that they can only be read but cannot be changed. So answer will be, children, रोम मेमोरी. ओके, आपको तीनों ऑप्शंस में से एक ऑप्शन करेक्ट ऑप्शन चूज करना है. यू हैव टू टिक दैट ऑप्शन. ओके, नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. नेम द CD on which data can be erased and rewritten many times. So what will be the answer? There are three options: CD-ROM, CD-R and CD-RW. So the answer will be CD read write. RW means read write. Okay, so here in CD-RW you can also erase the data and rewrite the data many times. Okay, now we will come to the next question, which is third one. A flash drive can store up to dash of data. So children, flash drive में हम 2 terabyte of data store कर सकते हैं. Okay, so remember this. In the flash drive you can store up to 2 terabyte of data. Fourth question. Internal memory is also known as, first one is main memory, second one is primary memory and third one is both A and B. तो चिल्ड्रन, इसमें ऑप्शन सी हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा. वाई? बिकॉज इंटरनल मेमोरी में हम चिल्ड्रन मेन मेमोरी भी बोलते हैं इंटरनल मेमोरी को और प्राइमरी मेमोरी भी बोलते हैं. ओके, सो इट इंक्लूड्स बोथ नेम्स. ओके, इंटरनल मेमोरी को हम मेन मेमोरी से भी बोलते हैं एंड प्राइमरी मेमोरी भी बोलते हैं. सो वी विल आंसर इट एज ऑप्शन सी, विच इज बोथ A and B. Then fifth question. The data stored in the computer memory is measured in bytes, points or pixels. So what will be the answer? Bytes. Okay, so children, आपने चैप्टर में भी रीड किया है that data will always be stored in the computer in the form of bytes. Okay, in the form of bits, but you will measure it in the form of bytes. Okay, bits आपने पढ़ा था children. bits में 2 states होती हैं which computer understands. First one is 0 for off state and 1 for on state. Okay, so data is stored in the form of bits but measured in the form of bytes. Okay, then sixth one. Which storage device has the highest storage capacity? So children, CD, pen drive and hard disk में से you will choose the answer pen drive. pen drive में आप कितना डेटा स्टोर कर सकते चिल्ड्रन? अप टू 2 terabyte. अभी हमने ऊपर पढ़ा है, राइट? फ्लैश ड्राइव को हम पेन ड्राइव भी बोलते हैं. ओके, सो out of these three options, which device has the highest storage capacity? It is pen drive. Okay, so you will mark the option B. Now we will come to E part, which is match the following. Okay, there are 2 columns given, left and right side. You have to match both the columns. Okay, so first one is external memory. So you will match the external memory with the secondary memory. So children, why we are मैचिंग बोथ दीज ऑप्शंस बिकॉज एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी को हम चिल्ड्रन सेकेंडरी मेमोरी भी बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट ब्लू रे डिस्क. सो ब्लू रे डिस्क को हम चिल्ड्रन मैच करेंगे 128 GB से. ओके, सो you will match the Blu-ray disc with the storage capacity 128 GB. You will again match DVD with 4.7 to 17 GB storage capacity. Okay, then RAM will be matched with the information stored temporarily. Why? Because RAM में चिल्ड्रन आप टेम्पररी बेसिस पे इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट we will come to part F, which is answer the following. Okay, so children, for now you have to write the answers in the here in the blanks given. Okay, afterwards I will tell you that how you have to maintain your notebook and how you have to do your question and answers. I will provide you the full chapter notebook. Okay, full chapter work I will give you. So first question is, write a short note on how data is stored in a computer. So you will write a short note here. The data is stored in the computer memory in the form of bits. Okay, आपको यहाँ तक लिखना है. पहले जो डेटा होता है चिल्ड्रन, वी स्टोर द डेटा इन कंप्यूटर मेमोरी. कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में डेटा स्टोर होता है and it is stored in the form of bits. Bits में children two states होती हैं. Right now I have told you 0 is represented for off state, okay, and 1 is represented for on state. Okay, and the computer will understand only these two states. Okay, and measured in bytes. Okay, so children, data computer की memory में store होता है in the form of bits and it is measured in bytes. Okay children, so children, we will end the class till here. You have to again revise whatever we have done today. So that's all for today's class children. Thank you for watching.